Yeah, that's creepy. Like, that looks like smoke to me.
That looks like the mist or whatever when, like, the mist thing comes up.
That's really weird.
Goodbye, world.
It's because we're getting closer to the lakes. Good morning. We are headed up to Kyle's brother's house. We don't see them very often, but he has a bunch of wood that we're allowed to take for firewood this year. And the reason being is because, so the reason why we were cleaning up and everything around the house is because Kyle's dad is actually moving in with us in about a week. So he sold his house, and he's hoping by spring that he can find another house. So we allowed him to stay, of course, with us and give him an opportunity to save up some money and stuff. So anyways, that is the reason why we've been cleaning up and everything. And also, you guys saw a video up on Dad's birthday, but today is Dad's birthday. So we're going to be going out for dinner tonight, do cake and stuff. Not sure what else we'll get up to today. Kyle was just like taking the tractor battery out and stuff because I moved the tractor and got that all ready for winter. And I actually put my winter tires on yesterday on my truck. And we're in Kyle's truck because I just cleaned my truck. I just pressure washed it at the car wash. Holy. Brutal. But yeah, so I just pressure washed the back of my truck, so I didn't want to put a load of wood in it. But so we're in Kyle's truck. Dude's at school. Oh, you gotta watch because that's a sign to say. This is freaky. Oh, there you go. Got a bit of a clearing.
The lake, though.
That's the lake. It looks like a whiteout. That's crazy. Can't even tell. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up some wood.
Top down and then move it up.
Yeah, so I'll start throwing if you want to clean or put that back. The truck is loaded up. It's squatting pretty good. Actually, that's probably not good at all, but we'll just take it slow. So this is the pile we took from. There was a half row in front of this, and then that chunk there, which he said we could take half of this row and actually one of those rows, but that's all we're gonna take for now because that's quite a bit for the truck. All right, I got it all strapped. Hopefully it'll be good until we get home. We're also crooked, so it should level out once we get on the road, but there we go. Okay, well, as you can see, I'm all changed out of my work clothes, and I curled my hair. Kyle did stack all the wood, but I was outside. I actually put a security camera up in the garage that I've been meaning to do since we put the security cameras up. I finally did that, and I spray painted some brackets for my shelf that's gonna go in the laundry room. I'll show you one day, but then, so I got ready and I have to do my makeup still, but Damien actually has parent-teacher interviews tonight and we have to go there before we go for dinner. I did make reservations for dinner for 6 and I gotta text Matthew right now and tell him to be there for 6 or before. Anyways, Dad's just outside having a beer with the neighbors because they're like best friends, and just had some chips and guac as a snack before dinner because I didn't want to eat a lot. So it'll be time to pick up Damien soon. What time is it? It's almost 3 now, and we pick him up at 3:30. So, and then we'll have parent-teacher interviews at 4:30, and we were supposed to have karate tonight, but because we're going out for dinner, we're not going to karate. So
don't film me.
He showered. And
Trust?
yes, you are. Puppies.
I never got trust with you.
Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. Okay, don't lick me. Cause you dirty puppy. Oh, you got burrs all over you. Well, we picked up the kid, but he walks through one of these pieces of property and goes over to the house directly. And these puppies freak out. But, so, we gotta go home, get Damien something to eat, and then we're gonna head to his interview. Oh, man. Okay, relax, relax. We're trying this new leash.
Trying to find Damien. Come on, dude. Let's go.
I can't remember what she called it, but okay, stay.
Come. Stay.
You're gonna have to.
Come. Stay. Stay. And they're off. Where's Wally pulling? Oh, he didn't.
Oh.
There you go. Everybody's over there. Oh, D goes too.
Ram!
He wasn't
D!
here. He wasn't here.
Come! Come!
Come on.
Come on! Hi, Dido.
Good boy.
Good boy, D. Mom and Dad are just over there, so. Okay, we are rushing out of the door.
I still don't understand.
That hour went way too fast. Damien's currently eating Kraft dinner with ketchup in the truck. So my truck is gonna smell like ketchup. Gross. So anyways, we are rushing to parent teacher interviews quickly, and then we're gonna meet everybody at the restaurant. Alright, we're at dinner. We're at a little restaurant where Kyle works in town. What is this? Video deception, or what is it called? Video.
I'm filming you, filming me. I did that one of your videos. Remember that?
Probably a few times.
I filmed you,
Alright, so this is what I got. It's, what is it? Watermelon vodka, cranberry juice, and lemonade. It's okay. Okay. That's what I need.
Can we get that signed? We need that on paper. Here's an after.
Okay, so maybe I should do introductions then. Because I don't know if I... Okay. Dad. 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 Dad.
I know who he is.
I know. Dad. 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 Okay, forget it. Anyways, this... Happy birthday. Mom. And this is Sandra. Say hi. This is Matthew's girlfriend. Damien. And then who's this? Who do we have? Avon. Hey. And then this. Hey, kid. What's your name?
Sophia.
We don't know who you are either, right? And who's this? Oakley.
I don't want you, Oakley.
And then us. Who's this guy?
You're the devil. Oh, yeah. So does want to be the video.
Anyways, there's everybody. Oh, where'd Papa go? Oh.
You're there, right? Watch your eyes. Watch your eyes.
Let me see.
I want to see.
Alright, this is Kyle's. It's called the Bourbon Street. It's got sausage, burger, pickle spears.
Big bun.
Mine is the extreme. It's got onion rings, pickle spears, and all the toppings with bacon. Dad got fish and chips. Mom got brisket.
Deep fried pickles.
Sandra got quesadilla. Matthew got the same as Kyle.
Greg taught me how to eat them. A minute when I got.
Okay. Don't. Seriously. We know you can eat. Don't worry. Damien got french fries and chicken fingers, but he already ate before we came, so we're going to take those home. The girls got nachos, and Oakley got Chicken tenders and fries. Damien didn't finish his chicken fingers. I couldn't finish my fries. But everybody else pretty much finished their food. I think Sandra had a little bit of fries left over. And then the girls didn't finish quite all of their nachos.
Oh, she's doing a top right.
She's doing it.
3, 2,
But this is how it works.
Roll over the top. Yeah, there you go. Roll over the top. Close. Chocolate.
Avian's the only one that got chocolate.
Yep.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
I'll take the 0.
No, you are a 0.
That's because it comes before number 1.
Okay, boys, there's cake.
You want cake? Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Am I the first slice?
Okay, so this is yes. Aiden, yes. Sophia, do you want cake?
Yes.
Amy,
Oh,
cake?
no, Oakland doesn't.
Sophia.
Sophia. Aiden.
Hey, baby, honey.
Yep.
That was probably the book.
That's 3 right here, yeah.
It's okay, it's on YouTube anyways.
As long as nobody was behind me.
Who that, me?
She's hanging out with the cool chick.
Cool, check. It's like a quarter of the cake.
Actually, in comparison to you, it looks small on camera.
I think you got my piece.
That's about right, man.
We're home. Damien's in bed. The puppies missed us. Hey, did the puppies miss us? Kyle is just getting ready for bed. The kids actually have a PA day tomorrow, so they don't have to get up early, which is good. But Kyle does have to work. So anyways, I'm going to end the vlog here. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Where'd you go, puppy? Where'd you go, puppy? Where'd you go, puppy?